Hi folks, this is the last section on the key area transport across cell membranes, just active transport. Don't worry, it's only 3 slides, so hopefully this will be a really quick one. So active transport is not the same as passive transport. So passive is where you just move normally from a high concentration to a low concentration. Active transport is exactly what it sounds like. It's where you actually need to do something. So you have to push against the concentration gradient. So you're trying to shift stuff from where it's low to where it's high. So you need to use energy. So if you were talking about passive transport in terms of freewheeling down a hill, active transport is you working really hard to get up it. Okay, so you're moving from the low to the high. So as well as actually putting energy in, there is one other thing you need to know for active transport, and that is that you need to have a protein to work as the thing that moves it. So if you remember in the cell membrane picture that I gave you, you had a picture of something that was going across the membrane and it looked like it was closed. Okay, and I said we would be talking about that later, and this is the later. So what you have is a protein which you will attach on some energy. You will use something called ATP, and that ATP will drive this channel to open and pull whatever you need to have across that way. Or it might be actually pushing it out, which the most important thing is it's going in the opposite direction than it wants to go. So therefore you have to push it. So active transport means against the concentration gradient, you must have proteins as pumps and you need to have energy to drive it. And that's it.